One-touch simplicity. Replaces up to 15 remotes. Rechargeable with included docking station. Sculpted backlit buttons. Ergonomic design. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. I have had numerous universal remotes, Philips Pronto, Home Theater Master, Logitech etc. over the years, and this is the best yet. For the first time I pulled the batteries and put all my other remotes in the closet. For about $160 you can't beat this remote. Good button layout. Buttons are large enough and well spaced, so even larger hands should be fine. The only tight spot is the directional pad with OK in the middle. Need to be directly on the OK button to get it right, but I have large fingers and have had trouble with remotes, phones etc. forever. Lights up as soon as you pick it up. Activities buttons, macro, work perfectly every time to turn on, off all the equipment you need. Switching between watch TV, watch DVD, CD or play Xbox 360 works perfectly every time, and the remote switches to all the essential controls you need. Press Devices button and you get access to each individual unit's controls, so if you need to adjust color on your TV or turn up the subwoofer on your processor, it is easily accessed. Nice functional touchscreen. Fits the hand nicely and isn't heavy or clumsy. There is a little rattle, but it is the sensor that makes it light up when moved. This is a functional feature, not a defect. Buttons are solid and overall it feels well constructed. Very simple to set up with the guided internet program included. First-time users need a little bit more time to set up, as you will need make and model number of all the equipment you want to program, but once you have that it won't take long to get up and running. If you aren't computer-friendly or slightly tech-minded, you may want some help. Extensive listing of equipment, so should be no problem finding yours. I previously had a Logitech Harmony 520 and this is such a great upgrade. I plan to get my dad one, and set it up for him. Due to its simplicity he will love it.